What is up everyone? Welcome to the video. In this video, I will show you how you can make free and easy money in no time. So for the first step, you have to go to link in my description and get to this Fiverr website. Now simply put in your mobile number and register your account. After registering, you can see you got free 10 rupees just by joining from my link. Now, here you will see task option. Click on that and hit the start task and go, and now scroll all the way to the down and answer questions as I did in this video. For the last question, select screenshot that includes payment details, not just payment sent like I'm doing in the video. Now after that, hit back and go to check-in option and hit check-in. Now you have 13 rupees in total. Now to increase it, go to Minesweeper game. You can read rules how this game works. Basically you mine block, and if you hit mine, you lose all money. So the best strategy is to wait for in everyone's order and look out for the big number. So you mine the block that someone mined and got bonus higher than 100 or 150 rupees. Now keep waiting for the higher bonus guy and mine that block and mine 4 or 5 blocks. Then hit the stop and get bonus. So now you can see I made 2 rupees just by doing nothing and following some fun strategies. Like this, turn your 10 rupees and 100 or more, then you can go to withdraw and withdraw all your money. Minimum withdraw is rupees 31 and under 1500 rupees you have to pay 31 as a fee. So make around 150 rupees, then withdraw to your UPI. So I hope you liked this video. Thank you guys for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Peace.